Your product can be high quality, but without branding and Amazon compliant labeling, it won't even make it to the warehouse. In this episode, I will show you exactly how to handle packaging, labels, and branding so your product arrives FBA ready and stands out from competitors. Welcome to episode 8 of the Amazon FBA Mastery series. Your first bulk order is either in production or about to begin, which means this is the perfect time to handle branding, packaging, and Amazon required labels. This step boosts your perceived value and prevents your inventory from being rejected at the warehouse. Step 1. Create your brand and logo. If you don't have a brand name yet, keep it simple. Avoid trademarked names. Check availability on USPTO if in the US. For your logo, use Canva, Fiverr, or Upwork. Keep it clean and memorable. Ask for PNG, AI, and PDF formats. Send this to your supplier for printing on product or packaging. Step 2. Choose your packaging style. You have 3 main options: polybag, cheapest, good for simple products; custom box, great for branding and unboxing experience; insert card, thank you notes, instructions, QR codes. If you are on a small budget, start simple but make it look intentional and clean. Step 3. FNSKU labels. Every unit shipped to Amazon needs an FNSKU label. Here's how to get it. Log into Seller Central, add your product and create the listing, even if it's incomplete. Amazon gives you the FNSKU barcode. Download the PDF, send this to your supplier and tell them, please apply the FNSKU label on each unit as required by Amazon. This saves you time and extra labeling fees later. Step 4. Other required labels. Depending on your product, you may need suffocation warning for polybags over 5 inches, made in China or India labeling, choking hazard for kids products, battery or hazardous goods labels if applicable. Always confirm with the supplier, they will include these. Step 5. Packaging specifications. Tell your supplier where to place the FNSKU label, whether your packaging is retail ready, if you need extra protection, bubble wrap, box insert, etc. Make sure packaging fits Amazon's size limit. Oversized packaging increase FBA fees. Step 6. Insert cards. Optional but powerful. You can include thank you message, instructions, QR code for warranty, social media link. Do not ask for review directly. This violates Amazon policy. Instead, use wording like, if you are happy with your experience, we would love your feedback. Step 7. Final confirmation with supplier. Before production ends, confirm all branding and labeling details. Please confirm logo placement, FNSKU label position, packaging type. Any required warning labels, send me photos before mass production is finished. This prevents surprise mistakes later. Once branding and labeling are set, your product is almost ready to ship. In episode 9, I will walk you through air versus sea shipping, freight forwards, create your Amazon shipment, shipping directly to FBA warehouses. If this episode helped you understand branding and labeling, hit like and subscribe to stay on track. Thank you for watching.